Now I have a plan on how to divide the stitches of the neck to start knitting raglan. I have my calculations for another sweater, and here you can see how I calculated stitches. As I want to have the beginning of the row in the middle of the back, I also divide it into two parts and start from the middle. I count the first 15 stitches according to my calculations. Then I set marker here. So 2 stitches of raglan will be marked and obvious. Then I count the next stitches and set markers again. I keep marking my raglans and after can work with them. When all markers are set, I start to make increases. The first increase will be just before the first marker. As I want increases to be visible, I lift up the loop just before the marker and I have a long thread in front. This way I can pick up the short back loop of the stitch and make a knit stitch. Here you can see what it looks like. Then 2 stitches of the raglan. Then I move the marker and right after the marker I lift up the thread again. This time the short loop of the stitch is in front and I want to make a knit stitch through it. So I stretch it a bit first and make a knit stitch. Both increases by the markers are done. After that I keep knitting until the next marker. So I will do increases before the raglan marker and after. The increase before the marker using the back loop, so the stitch will be twisted and tight. After the marker, I use the front loop and also get a twisted stitch. I do the same with all 4 raglans in this row. Next row I don't do any increases and just do 1 row of knitting. That is basically how raglan increases should be done. 1 row with all increases by the markers and 1 row just knitting. I hope this lesson was helpful. In the next one I will find out how many rows I need to make to reach the width of the body. Thank you for watching.